Well, I got it cleaned up finally. Took a long time to get that dust out of here. I used lightweight oil and carburetor cleaner and ran the saddle back and forth until the oil come out clean. I don't know what more I can do besides take it apart. But she's an old workhorse, been around for a long time. Chuck works, does everything I'm gonna need. Like I said before, it's so big, you know, that I might even have to cut the ends off these jaws for bed clearance to get a larger gap. I don't know. But she's ready to rumble again. I took the taper attachment apart, cleaned it all up. It's working perfect. I have all the pieces to it. And it tapers left or right. It's kind of a cool thing if I ever need it. But 1917 Walcott is ready to rumble again. And I got the small chuck off of it. Yep. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll find a project to do on it here soon. See ya.